Hi everyone, welcome home to our channel, Living Simple. This video is one from our series where you'll be tagging along with my husband and I while we clean and declutter our apartment. And yes, I said my husband. He's a keeper. Here Daniel's cleaning our little mini office where he does most of our editing. He wanted me to mention the yellow stain, which is a permanent reminder of my ramen addiction. Oopsies! Here I am cleaning our craft table, which was set up after I started my resin hobby. You'll see that there's large bookcases on the left that are used to kind of block the area from the other side of the room, which is the gym and mini office that we just cleaned. Our thoughts were that just in case Daniel was working on the computer while I was doing resin, we didn't want him exposed to too much of the fumes. I do wear a respirator mask when I'm resining, but in the case that it's pretty chilly outside and we don't want to open the windows, which would give us that ventilated area, we figured that this would kind of help to not expose him to too much fumes.
I need him alive a little longer.
Moving on to the kitchen area, you'll see me setting up the dogs on this bench. It's actually pretty funny, but I find that they behave better when they're there, and I guess for them it's a better chance of getting some treats. So we have two Malshis, which is a mix of a Maltese and a Shih Tzu. Robin is the male, he's on the left. He is 2 years old, has the energy of like a working dog, loves mounting dog beds and driving us crazy. And Miley is on the right. She will be 7 in April. She loves sleeping in, taking naps, and treats. Our current kitchen setup isn't too fancy, but Daniel and I find that it kind of works perfectly for us, for what we need. We have our main area that consists of the sink and counter space. And then we have a small like half island that we use for our burner stove and the air fryer. You'll see that our current backsplash is just a mess right now. We tried some imitation tiles from this company on Amazon, but as you can see, they're not holding up so well. We've had them for about 2 months and just really aren't happy with how it's looking, so we are hoping to replace this in the near future with something more permanent. So please wish us luck, and it may be another video. We do share dishwashing duties pretty evenly, although Daniel may disagree with that a little bit, but I am very lucky to be able to say that I have a partner that is just as willing to put in work around the house and get his hands dirty.
In the sink.
But really, he does do a lot around the house, so be prepared to see him in just about all of these videos. Okay, so I'm giggling a little here. You'll see that we took an involuntary dance break, and that's because while we were washing and drying dishes, we got into a little heated debate. And as normally happens, I convinced Daniel into a truce by way of dance. This is the area next to our craft table. We're really not doing too much of a cleaning or decluttering as we are just tidying up. We do plan on tackling our stockpile and our current wardrobe and just getting rid of as much things as possible. I have a feeling that at least for the stockpile, that half of the things will either be given away or just dumped in the garbage. That's definitely a mini project that I'm really excited for because it does give me a little bit of anxiety looking at how messy this closet is every day. Daniel is cleaning the area under the sink here, where we keep a lot of our cleaning products and a whole lot of other junk that we ended up just completely throwing out.
Here you'll notice the difference in personalities of our dogs. Miley is just relaxing while Robin's ADHD is acting up.
In this clip, you'll see some items that I got from my favorite place, Target. An ice tray. I couldn't tell you why I bought this, but I guess that's really how Target works. I found this cute woven basket that I wanted to use in their bathroom, and this turntable storage thingy that was only $10, so I grabbed it. And this I saw on the clearance section and I thought would be really cute to hold our dishwashing scrubbers. These are 2 clear bins that I ended up using for under the sink to organize some of the larger cleaning products. And then I did find this cute little sign that was also on sale. You gotta stop by the sale section, always. It's an unspoken Target rule. Some decorative towels that I'm not too sure what I'm going to do with right now, a drying mat, and then a bathroom mat. And the bathroom mat actually have the smaller size of this, but I did want a larger one for outside of the shower. So now I have a matching pair. Daniel's back and he is organizing everything that we took out from under the sink. It's been a while since we cleaned under there. It's not really an area that gets too dirty, so we really weren't sure what products were actually stashed down there. So this gave us a little bit of an opportunity to check our inventory. Here I am putting some finishing touches to the bathroom. I have been telling Daniel that I really want to do a deep cleaning of the bathroom and really clean the grout and the tiles and maybe even repaint the walls. And who knows, there's always a chance that I may need another trip to Target. Here is the after footage of all the areas that we worked on today. Not bad at all. Here's Daniel zooming in too close. Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a comment of which video you'd like to see next, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time on Living Simple.